Beloved South Africans, this is Mandisa Mthembu, the President of the Reformed Government of South Africa. Today I want to send a stern warning to all those big corporates like MTN, Vodacom, and etc. that keeps employing illegal immigrants while South African youth is languishing in poverty. If the youth of this country can't benefit from your operations, you have no right to operate in South Africa. You will be replaced. So today I'm introducing a skills reform program for youth and the workforce. The South African Department of Youth Wellbeing Skills Transfer is created for this purpose, to ensure young people of South Africa are actively participating in economic activities and the growth of their country. The world economics and geopolitics are changing, and South African people must be equipped with skills of the future to handle the challenges our world is facing. The government of South Africa under President Mandisa Mthembu is introducing National Skills Agreement, a skills reform initiative by the government to all intergovernmental agencies and private sector industries. This means any business, whether private or public, is obligated under this agreement to train and equip young people with skills and experience. With government support and incentives, any business organization operating in South Africa that does not adhere to this national agreement will be fined up to 5 million rands depending on their size, and will face the risk of being blacklisted and their operating license be revoked by the government. This agreement will provide a step change in government's approach in fighting unemployment in young people and closing gap commitments for skills and experience. Consistent with government's commitment to ensure no South African is left behind, as the South African economy transitions and adapts to structural environmental change, this national agreement also provides for a more seamless delivery of foundation skills. Every young person, graduate, even from the remote rural areas, will be equipped. No one will be left behind under this national agreement. The National Agreement for Skills and Workforce identifies the long-term objectives in the areas of skills and workforce development in the South African young population is to ensure the skills of our people are developed, sharpened, and utilized in the economy. The stakeholders agree this includes the need for reform of the national training system to ensure it delivers the high quality, responsive, equitable, and efficient training outcomes needed. The changes underway in this country heighten the need for reformation of skills to ensure that we remain resilient and flexible. Structural changes between industries and occupations are occurring as a result of unstable markets. The stakeholders' commitment is to increase the level of workforce participation and providing the support an individual experiencing disadvantage or disengagement, including young people, may need towards gaining skill and experience in business industries. In other meaningful engagement, like arts or sports in the society. This includes considerations of strategies and performance indicators to ensure needs for young people with special needs are addressed. Critical to achieving this are partnerships between business industries across South Africa, Department of Labor, South African government, and communities, as well as better integration of services at the local level. The National Skills Reform Agreement aims to create a national training system that works with South African business industries to deliver, harness, and use the skills and abilities to drive productivity. 2, a national training system accessible to all working age South African citizens that provides them with opportunity to sharpen and develop the skills and experience needed to participate effectively in the economy. 3, a responsive, agile, and equitable national training system embedded in working environment, ensuring that young people learn by experiencing real working environments. This will remove the barriers between graduate and working experience. 4, an efficient national training system where government's efforts appropriately responds to areas of future job growth and supports the skills needs of South African business industries. This agreement comes into effect today, 11 October 2025. All business industries operating in South Africa must adhere to this national reform agreement. Thank you.